Hi everyone, I'm Nusha and today I'm going to teach you this delicious cheese cookie. Look at it. They are so delicious. They float in your mouth and just dissolve right away. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get notification. Let's get started.